Whoa, nice. That looks fun. So this is the full assembled gun. This I've been waiting for. It's super fun. It shoots Orbeez. They come in these tiny little packs. It's got a whole bunch of attachments, aiming, sound, flashlight. There is super big magazine. There are 3 sizes: small, big, and biggest. Comes with little safety glasses so no one shoots it at your eyes. There's also a target for a gun to shoot. Even though there are these safety glasses, please do not shoot at people's faces. So as you can see, they are this size. They will stop growing when they're at the max size, and then you can just charge a battery, put them in the gun, and then you can shoot. How you load this thing is there's going to be a little hatch on all of them. This is the biggest one. It's got one here, and you just open it. I'd prefer a spoon with holes in it, so then the water comes out. Then you can put them in the gun. And then you can shut it. Pretend this is full. Put it on the right way and go outside to shoot it. This is how you take it off. You put this button off, and that's a wrap. So now I'm going to shoot the gun, and you can watch me. Okay, it is now out of bullets, and now I'm going to show you how to put the batteries in and take them out. So there are rechargeable batteries. You see that little, I'm not strong enough to push it, but you can push it over here, then it's a little hatch that comes off and there's a battery in there.